This is question 12 from section 1 of the 2018 NSAA paper. In this question, we're told this confusing expression that 80% of a first number is equal to 2/3 of a second number. And the respective ratio of these numbers, first to second, in lowest terms is x to y. And from this, we're asked to find x minus y. The guiding principle of this question is essentially, let's convert this into algebra, because that's a lot easier to deal with, a lot easier to manipulate, and should get us there. So let's call our first number A and our second number B, because it's far less cumbersome than saying first number, second number every time. So what do we know? Can we construct an expression in A and B? Well, we know 80% of a number, i.e. the first number. So we know A times 0.8, because it's taking 80% of it, is equal to 2/3 of a second number, so i.e. times B. So we've got this expression in A and B now. Let's get this to a more palatable form. First thing though, we've got decimal here, fraction here. It's not a good combo to have. So considering we're working with ratios and we want integers in the end, let's convert this to a fraction. 0.8 is 4 over 5, so we get 4/5 A equals 2/3 B. And, well, what is a ratio? A ratio is essentially a recipe telling you, if I give you the first number, what do you times it by to get to the second number? If I give you a ratio of 1 to 2, if I give you your first number, I times it by 2 to get to the second number. So what I want is B in terms of A. So let's rearrange it for that. So we know B equals 4/5 times 3 over 2A is equal to 6 over 5A, because 4 over 2 is 2, so it's 2 times 3 over 5, which is 6 over 5. So from this, our recipe is essentially get A times by 6 over 5 to get B. So our ratio is 1 to 6 over 5. But this isn't the answer, because we want the ratio in lowest terms, and ratios are integers, right? So let's times 3 by 5. And we get 5 to 6. Now this is looking better, because this is a ratio, and it's certainly in its lowest terms, because 5 and 6 don't have any common factors. And so all we've got to do is find x minus y, so i.e. 5 minus 6. That's minus 1. That corresponds to F in the multiple choice options, so our answer is F.